Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 20. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is enamored. Friends, enamored means in love with a person or thing. Now look at its sentence. Jane is enamored with tennis and plays the sport every day. Now its synonym, infatuated with. Moving to the next word, vituperate. Friends, it means to abuse, or you can say to blame. Its Hindi meaning is bura kehna. Now look at its sentence. Leela yesterday launched a vituperative attack on her ex-boss. Its synonym is revile. The next word that I have for you is panache. Friends, panache means the stylish and confident way of doing things. Its Hindi meaning is manohar dhang. Now look at its sentence. She played the role of hostess with great panache. Its synonym is confidence. Now moving to the next word, incessant. Friends, incessant means never stopping. In Hindi you can say lagatar. Now look at its sentence. She talked incessantly about the thing. Its synonym is unceasing. Now moving to our next word, commiserate. Friends, commiserate means express or feel sympathy. Its Hindi meaning is sahanubhuti dikhana. Now look at its sentence. I began by commiserating with her over the defeat. Its synonym is sympathize. Now look at the next word, abscond. Friends, abscond means live hurriedly and secretly. Its Hindi meaning is farar ho jana. Now look at its sentence. She absconded from boarding school with her boyfriend. Its synonym is run away. Moving to the next word, soldered. Friends, soldered means morally degraded, or you can say dirty. In Hindi it is ganda. Now look at its sentence. There are lots of soldered apartments in the city's poorer areas. Its synonym is filthy. Now moving to the next word, zenith. Friends, zenith means the time at which something is most powerful or successful. In Hindi you can say charam seema. Now look at its sentence. In 1977, the punk was at its zenith. Its synonym is acme. Now look at the next word, plausible. Plausible means reasonable or believable. In Hindi, sach prateet hone wala. Now look at its sentence. His story was sounded perfectly plausible. Its synonym is credible. Now moving to the next word, overwhelming. It means very great in amount. Its sentence is, she felt an overwhelming desire to return home. Its synonym is enormous. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of acme? A. Soldered, B. Plausible, C. Zenith, D. Incessant. Give me answer of this question in comment box.